transponder here, because I think it's gonna be a good fit in here. Yeah,
Stick it just with it.
but that's gonna rattle.
Oh.
No one would know. They're gonna know. No one would know. Who's gonna know? Boom. Clean as a glove. This one. Oh, you have to return this one, I guess, now. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. My God. Let's be careful with this one. Yeah, be careful. Okay. Now this one, I actually have the part to replace this thing right here. This is an empty thing right here, because this empty thing is like getting stuck up, but I think I fixed it. So let's see. I'll try to put it in first, and let's see how it goes. Yeah, this one only has one way of fitting it, so you don't have to guess. And then this one, all you have to do is like run it through here. So it will be difficult for you to like fit it later. And then before I fit that one, there's one more thing I have to do. I'm just gonna put it there because one of the locks of this thing, this one, actually falling off. So I need to return it. Take a peek. Peekaboo. Alright, spot now. These are all the right places. Oh, wait, there's one more here. We have to put this one. How do we place this one again? Like this. just like nothing happened. But actually, a lot has happened. Where's that thing? This one. Okay. This one, I don't know if there's like. Oh, okay. That's how you just have to push it through. It's working. Okay. Now next, how to route this one. I don't even know why I need this, but well, for the sake of it, let's do this. Oh, and because I have to change this one as well. I've got a part for that. I bought it. I bought everything. This one. Right, guys. We're almost finished with our magical setup. Just have to bear with me a bit more longer. Oh, this one's easy enough. Oh, look at that. It's dirty. That's what it says. You've met again, wires. Why are there so many of you? I don't understand. There. It's easy. Now, you have to remove this. Let's see how we can do that. Fits whatever tool set this is. This thing right here. This is all you need. And you'll be fine. You'll be able to remove the whole car. You want to change your tires? Use this. Oh, your steering wheel broke? Use this. You can change everything with this. It's like the all-in-one tool. Yeah, outdated, old school. Let's put that on the side. Yeah, I'd really love to vacuum that one, but I'm just gonna wipe it. And use this one. See that? Okay. Got that one. Put it on the side. That on your crotch. On your crotch. And let's see if it fits. Bad news. Good news. It fits. Fits perfectly, guys. You know, before I bought all these things, I wasn't sure about any of these stuff. This is my very first time doing a lot of these things. The most that I was able to fix before was a cabin filter on my 98 Accord, and that was it. But this is like the biggest, what do you call this, DIY that I have done in a car, and it really boosted my confidence on doing more stuff. And this is not even by choice, guys. Like, this is because here in the UK, it's so difficult, it's so hard to like go to a garage and have your car fixed because of how expensive everything are. This one has a price tag. So this is not legit. No, just yeah, so you know, the next thing that I will do with this car, guys, when I buy a steamer or something, I'm going to like deep clean the heck out of this car. It's not that clean, yo. Okay, before we return this, we're gonna need to like find a way. Oh, we can actually this one inside here. And I like get it from here. How are we gonna
No, but it won't fit in. Are you gonna stick it out?
Yeah, we'll stick it out.
Okay.
So,
Just the wire's too thick.
like, no, there's like something in here.
No, here. Like are you gonna stick it out here?
Yes, just check this. Let's try this one out. Let's see if there's. I don't even know what this one does right now because the audio works. Run it through here. Can I see my handle? Oh, I can see my handle. Run it through the handbrake. Here. See that? Then run it behind here. And here, over there. But let's wipe that one first. Ew. Good thing there's only one previous owner of this car, so I can safely say that this is just from his or her. It's a her. All her dead skin cells. Imagine if they were 9. I won't even know if they all still exist. But then run it there, like that, like that. Eh. Why is it not coming through?
The wire's kind of it's fine.
Hopefully so. Yeah, and then we just simply cover it like that.
Yeah, cool.
It's gonna be okay. Yeah, it's gonna be. Okay, now on to the exciting part.